everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I have got you to a commercial place by Satwa, a new launch project by them. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me, the construction work is ongoing. This project is located at JVLR Powai. As you can see, the road right here is the JVLR road. This will lead you to Powai. You may also have a look at the neighborhood. This is the highway right here. So in this video, we are going to be covering the following points, which includes project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, pre-launch discounts, offers, and many more. But before moving ahead, let me also introduce to Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which will lead to many calls. But now you don't have to worry because Housey is here where we connect you directly with the builders. So buy your dream home directly with the builders only on Housey. Now talking about project overview, this project is constructed on a land parcel of 2.5 acres consisting of single tower, ground plus 30 floors. Talking about connectivity, this project is constructed bang on JVLR Powai with upcoming 2 metro stations at a distance of just 2 minutes, Eastern Express Highway at a distance of just 5 minutes, school, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of just 1 to 2 kilometers. Coming to the carpet area, this project will be having carpet area ranging from 500 square feet to 1300 square feet of commercial places. Talking about the booking process, our booking process is now open. Clients are requested to come and visit the site where our sales team will help you with the complete project details, will also help you with the actual commercial place, will also help you with the payment and EMI scheme, and then if clients like the project, they can move ahead with the token amount. The EOI amount is going to be 18 lakh rupees for this project. So everyone, this was the project overview of Satwa new launch project located bang on JVLR. To get more information about this amazing property, you need to download the e-brochure given below. And to know more about such amazing properties, also have a look at the icon button. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.